Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a Snapchat banned device. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat banned device, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this window here, you will enter to Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.